Geht's?
This is Mark Kinsler from MTU Friedrichshafen. Good morning, Steven. How are you?
Hi Mark. Fine, thanks. How about yourself?
Fine, but I'm calling because I just read an article in a newspaper that got me a bit worried.
About what?
Oh wait, let me read it to you. It says, an upcoming problem amongst American industrial companies is that due to the lack of fundamental skills and know-how, blue-collar workers are unable to meet the high-quality manufacturing and assembling requirements needed to produce the final product. Steven, please tell me, this isn't a problem in Aiken 2.
Unfortunately, yes, Mark. There's a shortage of skilled workers. No one's interested in qualifying in the industrial world anymore.
Well, apprenticeship pays isn't just a slogan, it's a fact. Training and later hiring our apprentices has always been a key for our success. When you develop skilled workers to grow up in your business, you also have to keep your trade growing and adapting to industry needs. Maybe that's the solution.
You've mentioned this before, but I can't believe our production line won't suffer. How do we implement training when the production line has to run and who would train them? I don't see how that could possibly help.
I understand your worries. Look, let me come up with a concept and I will come over and present it to you with our trainees.
Okay Mark, I'll see you then.
Good morning, Steven.
Good morning.
This is Dominic and this is Raphael.
Hello. Welcome, gentlemen. So you believe that with your dual education system you'll become skilled workers and be an asset to the company?
Well, as trainees we quickly get to know the workshop and production line. We undertake many different projects and learn about lathing, milling and other types of working skills.
And the great thing is we even get an apprenticeship loan.
So you want to tell me you teenagers are seriously interested in gaining a qualification and working at the same time? Gates? What? But what do you mean no one can take his place? That piece has to go out in a few weeks. We have to sort this out.
Everything alright?
Our top customer has ordered a modification to a component that needs to be delivered on time. And now the supervisor in charge has broken his leg and all other co-workers are overloaded with work. How are we going to get the changes done on time?
Mark, give my trainees a chance. I am sure they can help out.
Out of the question. I can't put the good of the company online just for you to prove your point. This isn't the right time.
This is the perfect time. Boys, I think I know how can put a training of yours into practice and show Mr. Gates you know how.
Wow. Lots to do and complicated.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, but let's not panic. Okay, let's go through the plan according to the model of complete action, like we were taught.
Good idea. So for starters, we need a technical drawing of the required component according to the customer's needs.
Check. Then we run it through the CAD program to ensure that all the assembly parts are compatible and functional.
Ready? And waiting.
Next, the correct application of conventional machinery for the production of components by defining the parameters for calculating cutting speed and feed rate.
Whoa, spoken like out of the book. In other words, setting up of the machines and correct tool usage is very important.
Exactly.
Right, next step. Be aware of tools and methods to support continuous improvement processes in order to optimize the production process.
And lastly, we need to carry out complex assembly, which could include different technologies like
positioning and fixing the components by performing detachable and permanent joining processes.
Yeah, that's it. Let's practice what we're gonna preach.
Right, everything is done. We need to do a test run.
Gates?
Mr. Gates, we're about to do a test run.
What? You're doing a test run? I specifically said it was too risky. I'm coming.
Mr. Gates is coming.
Oh no! I hope he won't be too mad.
What are you doing? Nah, please continue. This is exactly what I meant. According to my supervisor, your boys did just about all the work on this part. Very risky, don't you think?
Yes, Mr. Gates, I apologize for that, but I know what these boys are capable of. That's why I insisted.
Well, they were successful, and I admit, I'm surprised. Well done, you did a good job.
Thanks.
I think you may have just begun convincing me. I will give you a try.
And now headlines tonight. Aiken SC has placed the first milestone in an all-new and daring dual-system apprenticeship program. Against popular belief and lots of skepticism, Token America is enable young Americans the opportunity to receive an education in a skilled craftsmanship. Earlier this year, the White House honored their commitment and significant contribution to the improvement and progress of career and technical education in America.
Right now, countries like Germany focus on graduating their high school students with the equivalent of a technical degree from one of our community colleges. So those German kids, they're ready for a job when they graduate high school.